Hello everyone, in today's video I want to discuss how you can make money online. So welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss a unique and exciting way to make money online by simply listening to music. You can see that how amazing that can be. Alright, before I dive into the details, let us first understand the concept on how it works. Well, many companies are looking for feedback on their music and they are willing to pay you for your opinion, or some other companies are also looking for ways to boost different artist music, and that is why when you go to some platform you see that these particular artists have about 10,000 listening, this and that. So this company, they are ready to pay people to listen to music, then they earn by listening to music on their platform. Right, just like you can see on the screen here, make music listening to music, and there are so many other ways to make money online together. And to ensure that your time and your effort is well spent, it is very necessary to look for a legitimate or a reputable platform that connects you with this listening opportunity or review opportunity. So I'll be sharing some tips with you on how to set up your account on this platform that allow you to earn dollars listening to music. Alright, so I'm going to head out to the platform here. Alright, this is the platform. So the first thing I'm going to do is you have to create an account. So you're going to hit on the sign up button. Okay, so I'm going to fill in my details here. Now the sign up process is complete. Then I can decide to save my password, so I don't have to rack my brain to be like, what's my password the next time. Alright, upon signing up you have $5 credited to your account, which is a welcome bonus. Right, I would advise that the first thing you do is start with this music survey. So it's just a simple question. Tell us about yourself. Can music influence social environment? Your answer does not restrict you from earning. Whichever one you pick from here, you actually earn this amount into your account. So I can just click on this and click on next, and that is just all about the survey. And you just click on this close button. And by the time you return back to your account, you see that that amount has been added to your account already. You've completed that survey. Now let's do the listening part. So I'll click on this music and I'll click on the play button. Once I click on complete, you see that my balance has been added to my previous balance. So this music is complete. So I have to click on this again and click on listen. Listening to this particular music, there's no price attached to it, there's no payment for this. So if you listen to music like this, you're not going to earn anything. You have to look for the one that has dollars in front of them. So I'm going to play this. Alright, I have taken you through tips on how to actually earn more on this platform. You can also earn more by completing survey, or sometimes this survey takes too much time and you're unable to complete, or even after completing you might not even get anything, and I don't understand why that happens. So for example, if I click on the first one, it brings me to this link and there's some kind of survey. Let's say a man, you can see this just redirects to another page without letting you complete the initial task. So I don't know why this happens anyway. So I won't advise you go there. So the next thing you want to do is you want to understand how you can withdraw your money. So you need to set up a wallet account where you can withdraw your money. Since you have dedicated your time and your effort, it's time to get paid. So I will discuss different way you can get paid of your hard-earned money. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to come to this my wallets page. So you can receive your money via PayPal, Payer, USDT, MasterCard, whichever one that is okay with you. So whichever one you are selecting, I would prefer that you select USDT or or any of these four. Okay, if you are selecting MasterCard, all you just need to do is scroll down and input your 16-digit MasterCard number. And if you're using USDT, make sure that you are having a TRC20, that's data account. You can sign up on Binance, on Phantom, on Bybit, or any platform, any cryptocurrency platform, and get your wallet address. Then just paste it in and click on withdrawal. So now if I click on this, I need to enter a withdrawal number, and actually the minimum withdrawal is I have not input any value here. Let's assume that I am using MasterCard and I'm inputting a number. We just randomly generate a number, a 16-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, okay. And if I click on withdrawal, that's if this number is valid. You can see minimum withdrawal is $90, okay, and my current balance is about $10. So I have to keep listening to music. Then once I reach this threshold of $90, I can go back and initiate my withdrawal. So this is something you want to try. You're not actually spending hours on this platform, and I think it's something that is cool trying. So if you want to learn more about how to make money online, okay, you can just follow this website. It will give you information on how to make money from home, and the website is okay. I'll show you just in a few minutes time now. Okay, sorry, I clicked on that. And the website is dionsolutions.com. It is in the video description. I'll show you my video description. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Follow me for more videos on how to make money online. Thank you very much.